Namaste. My name is Shubhangi. I live in India and this is the first time I've ever making a video to speak my heart out to thank one of the great yoga teachers and mentors of my life, Vishwa sir. It is too late though. I thank him every day from the bottom of my heart because of the immense strength that he has provided me during the most difficult phases of my life. I'll tell you a brief about how I know him. I am a Yoga Acharya student, and last year, when it was my first year, I was trying to understand the concepts of my yogic text, was not able to understand much about it. The reason was also because I was very low, very depressed, and I was not stable inside. I was going through the YouTube videos and when I came across his channel, and in that channel he had spoken about the difference between Samkhya and Yoga and of course the similarity between the two. He had explained the concept so easy, so well that I being so much hesitant to approach somebody. I don't know, that's perhaps what yoga gives you. It makes you connect to the similar energies that you seek for, and I gathered the courage to contact him. I emailed him and asked him for his help. I never knew that he lives in Atlanta, America. I thought that he lives in India. But Vishwa sir is somebody who is will not read his students on the surface level. He understands his students from the root, from where they are coming, and what is that, and helps them to find out what is the real purpose that they seek for. I got so much clarity not only on my academic studies. I was so scattered. I was so spread out. I used to think which is the right path for me. But he had helped me to understand the different yogic paths, whether it is tantra, hatha yoga, dhyana yoga, raj yoga, gyan yoga, or mantra yoga, and at least to understand the true meaning of all these yogic paths, although they all lead to the same ocean, but to understand which is the right path for me. He's somebody who had guided me. I still remember it was last year when it was my birthday, and he wished me, and I told him, sir, I'm getting older. And he said, how can you be? You are the Sodashi girl. And I was like, who is Sodashi? He said, go and search for it and come back to me. I did the same, and I was invoked with this feeling that Shodashi is the true divine mother that resides inside me. I am that Shakti who has all the power to manifest the way I want my life to be. This gave me so much confidence. That was the best birthday gift I got. He gave he gave me this understanding that you should have the courage to ask questions, to seek clarity, and he sorted out things for me in such a simple way that he used to answer all my silly questions. I used to ask him all kind of perhaps repeated questions also. And being in different time zone, he had so much of patience to listen to me and to get back to me. And he perhaps knew what is that I am looking for, and not actually giving straightforward answers to my questions. He made me research myself, and few of the classes that I have attended, it it is very different, and it gives you so much of clarity, so much of understanding that it has changed my life a lot. I thank you, sir. I am so much sorted out. I feel as if there is divinity all around, and I feel so much of positivity that Shakti which is within me, which I had forgotten perhaps last year. You helped me to invoke that Shakti again. I thank you for all your time, for all your patience, and I remember when I used to tell you that I sir, sometimes maybe I'm asking you uh, questions which are silly. Then you told me that no, Shubhangi, uh, you asking me questions helps in my yogic journey as well. So I hope in this beautiful journey called life, we together grow in our path of yoga, and the way you changed my life, you do the same to all your students. I believe you are a true yoga teacher, a true yoga mentor, and I hope to meet you once, at least in my life. I'm waiting for you in India. God bless you. God give you all the strength. May you grow and grow and grow. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.